I am going to be using Kris Hunter's pack. That's what I'm going to be doing. And you can get all your bling at totallydazzled.com. Okay? So this is what we're going to be using today. And I thought these would be cute on the lid. But we're going to do this in kind of a whimsical style. I'm going to add some rhinestone trim. And we're going to paint this up. I only do the lid on these just because I like to keep the bottom half clear so you kind of know what's in it. So I'm gonna start off with white because we're gonna do this kind of like a whimsical. I'm gonna have like polka dots, we're gonna do some checks, we're gonna have just solid, and then see where it goes. And then I'm gonna like outline it with some gold. And then I have some, what do you call it? Rhinestone trim I wanna put in each little thing, which I've never done that on one of these pumpkins before. All right, so I'm gonna put, this is gloss enamel paint, not glass paint, it's gloss enamel from Deco Art. You can get it at the Hobbly Lobbly. All right, so now I want to paint black. Now there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm gonna just pick one, I'm gonna paint it black. I need a small brush. And I'm gonna use the black enamel paint. Okay, we're gonna get started. I'm just gonna pick two, and so if I pick this one, I'm gonna do this one across it in the same pattern, okay? So I'm just going in with black right now. So see how simple? That's it. I'm gonna show you, because I have 10 on here, so I picked out 5 designs. We're gonna do black, white, I'm gonna do black and white check. So, and we're just gonna keep going. Then I'm gonna do black with white polka dots, white with black polka dots, and then a stripe. All right, so now I have my super small brush. I'm gonna get a pencil, and all I'm gonna do, actually I'm gonna use my Sharpie. I'm just gonna do 2 like checks. I'm not gonna get super like tiny checks. So I'm just gonna take my magic marker and I'm just gonna take a line and go straight down from the top. I'll show you as I do it. That's all I did, see? And then you're just gonna take your checks. I don't know, I'm gonna eyeball this like, so I'm just gonna take that and then just make sure you go with like the line of, I'm just like winging it right now, okay? Okay, and then we're gonna create some stripes, and I did get a little tiny brush. I'm gonna paint these black, but then we're gonna put white polka dots on it. I use the end of a brush. There's one. Make sure it's a nice round bottom. Any one of your paint brushes, this should work. So we're gonna take the ones that we just painted, these ones right here, and we're going to just add some dots. And I'm just gonna go in with the bottom of my brush, like so. I kind of dip it on the plate a little bit. I'm actually gonna put this down. And I'm just gonna start at the top, like so. And that we will call it in. But look at how cute, see? Now you got some polka dots on there. So we're gonna put stripes here. Now let me think about this. I wanted to kind of do vertical stripes, so I'm gonna use my Sharpie. Again, I'll probably just use this nail file, and maybe I'll just, I gotta be careful because I don't want to put it on my stripes. Okay, so I'm just gonna go like at an angle, like so. See? So I just kind of angled them. We're just gonna make those black and white. I'm gonna do the second one down. I'm just gonna again go over. Probably gonna take 2 coats on these, the white. Let me dry that, and then we're gonna have to put another coat of black on there. All right, so I'm gonna dip into my black, just like we did the white dots. And I'm just gonna work my way like down in a line. Cute, I tell they're all different sizes, and it's just how much pressure you put on top. And then, but you do have to dry them pretty well because they do get those little bumps at the top. I think what we'll do, I think we'll put like liquid gold down, right? And I'll do my little, I wonder if I should do little gold dots on my checks like I do. But let's do the liquid gold. Where's my liquid gold? I think this is it. It sounds like real pointed. You want it like a real pointed brush, okay? And then I'm gonna hold it here. You don't need a lot with liquid gold. And just make sure that I kind of like do better doing lines like away from myself. Look how pretty. Now I'm thinking, should I outline the stripes with gold? What do you guys think? Should I outline the stripes there in gold or just leave it? And I'm gonna start like and I just follow. So there is the stripe with the gold. So you can't hardly see it, but it does add a little bit of something. And then I am gonna use the end of this brush, and I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna give my little, like when I do checks, I always put like a little dot. Let it dry. So I'm gonna show you. See those little dots? And then we did the lines on the stripes with the gold. How cute. I'm gonna wing this kind of like so. Let me show you guys up close. Look how cute, right? So I have this rhinestone trim. It's like Aurora Borealis, and I was thinking about putting it down each, like, you know, whatever you call this thing on a pumpkin. I know we just painted those gold, but look, that would just add more sparkle. What do you guys think? I'm thinking yes, but I really, really, really think I'm gonna add it later because I really wanna put a coat of triple thick Duraclear on here. I mean, I guess I could do it. Are these dry? Because I'm not kidding you guys. I'm not laying rhinestones until I seal this bad boy. And I think they're dry. Let me throw a coat of triple thick Duraclear on this, please. And then we're gonna add on our leaves. I love these. Look at how sparkly these are. I'm gonna try it. I've never tried it. Diamond Glaze, and she sent me a bunch of these little bottles. It's much runnier than triple thick, or I'm sorry, than E6 B7000. Okay, I just did every other one. Look at how cute that looks with the blingy rhinestones on there. I like it. Now we're gonna add on, now I don't know how well it works with stuff like this, but I'll try it. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to glue here. That's just with one of them on there. Look at how pretty. I'm gonna hold it kind of like this way, but look at every other, and there's the checks. I just added that little rhinestones right there. And then there is the feather. It kind of tops off the handle, and you can still pick up the handle as such.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.